What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Good morning. Again, I am excited to bring you with us. We are headed out today and we're going ice fishing. We are headed to Selkirk on the Red River. We're gonna try our luck again. Try and catch walleyes and whatever would play with us today. So stick around, guys. I'll see you later.
Okay.
We're here. Okay, so we made it. We went through Sill Road. Hopefully we can make this trip productive than last time. Last video. Okay.
Isda to?
Yeah.
Mga pula.
Ayaw muna tayo na shop.
We are at 16 point.
Sabi ko sa iyo eh.
That's 15 feet. 16
Ayaw muna na shop. Ano ba ang discount? Sa dito.
Susoy. Yan. This is our home for now. Good hole. Okay. Oh, this time no more no more burning ass. Okay. So this is the ever reliable Ion. Ano ba to? G2?
Ay, Gen 3 yan.
Gen 3, okay. It's the Gen 3 Ion. So yeah. So 5 holes all in all.
Put your hand on my shoulder.
We're all set. Yan na. Nadugasan na naman ako. Again, we are on the Red River. And we are always hoping for the best. Everything will be smooth sailing. Although the setup is nice. Yeah. Yeah, this is where we are. Ayun. Yeah. There. So most of the people are on that side right there. And yeah, this is where we're at. Pelican bombboard. Tim Hortons coffee.
Okay. Let the games begin. So, I'm currently using my Drench, the 39-inch, and then paired with the, what's this? Johnny Morris. And then the other rod that I have is my 42-inch Quantum, and then paired with the SLX, Shimano SLX. And the other one, that guy, that's the Nexay 1000 paired with the Fenwick, the Eagle. So 3 rods.
Malaki niyang, ang ina, parang maling grupo talaga nasama ako. Malaki ang pinag-uusapan ng dalawang yun, ha. Mahaba, mataba, ganon. Tang ina, Ariel, I'm in the wrong group. There's something wrong with you guys.
Ang laki, ang taba!
It's thick. It's strong.
I don't care, whatever bite. Pag gold eye, iuwi Susi, andyan.
Di ka sana,
Sat.
kaso lang lalaki ka. Hindi mo lang sa'yo sino gusto mong tirahin natin, ha? Tirahin natin yan.
Whoop. Got one. First fish, guys. First fish.
Sugar.
Soger to. First fish.
Ay, parang gold eye ang galaw, ah. Wala na.
No.
Parang gold eye, ah. Gold
Ah!
eye nga.
Alright. First fish. Gold eye, guys. Nice.
Sabi ko na, parang gold eye ang
Gold eye
galawan.
ang galawan. Pero tingnan natin.
Hindi, kita ko lang yung galaw na rad mo.
Oh, wag kang magulo.
Sabi ko, parang gold eye ang galawan ng isda na yun, ah.
So, gold eye.
Hey, first fish for 2025, gold eye.
Ang ina si Aiden talaga.
Sukatin natin. May 14.
Master Angry.
Yeah, it's no, it's a 12 and a half. That's keeper.
Siya. Ariel, nalamangan na kayo.
1-0. So we got it on the live bait. Live minnow. This is the best time. Yung mga ganitohan.
Ang binig niya si Angry.
Let's try this one. Kagat na, you know.
Malis na ba yun? Pero may isa pang malaki. Yun.
Ah!
Tinggalan.
Oh shit, wala na, kinain yung bait na.
Ay, pagka ng mga ragkat. Alam mo namang hindi makakahuli yan pag wala ako.
Wow, pau na. Already.
Okay, so how do we do this?
Yan pala yung tama. Kita sa ano yun?
Ang daming step ng pare talagang.
You are recorded again, my man.
Talagang ano tayo? Madulas. Parang dudas. Putang ina ba namang madal. May tanggalin mo. May hook ako sa liig na naman.
Ano yun?
Yung hook na, yung element ko na nakalagay dito sa...
Oh no! Man, boss. Holy.
Pero hindi naman ako tinamaan. Wala namang
Walang tumaan.
casualty. Talagang master of disaster.
Baba natin. Laki. Baba.
Ang laki niya, nagapa mo.
Pucha ka. Hoy, mabigat.
Wala yan.
I think it's a... Hoy, soger.
Wala. Fogger.
Soger.
Good size to.
Good size, yeah. Ganyan, kaya mo siya. Second fish.
Ano ba, minnows?
Going in. Wow!
First time ko nakakita dito, that's a lot of fish.
Ayan na. Ito, totoo na to.
Malaki na, malaki yan, malaki.
Totoo to. Okay, I got one. Oh! 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 Look at that, boys! Oh! Uy!
Relax, Mike, relax, relax. It's a big fish.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh! 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 Ito rin. Meron dito isa. Meron dito isa. Oh! Oh! Dalawa. Double. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sir, bahala ka na dyan. Oh my goodness.
Mike, ikaw yata nakatama.
Hindi.
Ayan, humihila rin ito.
Oh, eto eh. Gumagalaw eh. Oh. Oh, oh. 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 Ano? Oh.
Wala, hinihila na rin ako.
Hinihila ako! Sa akin, oh. Look at the bend, boys! Look at the bend, my man! Oh. Pards, I don't know what to call this anymore. Oh my goodness! Oh.
Ano ba ito mga
Ano ba ito mga to?
Mike, sige pa, ano mo pa? Hindi pa, malayo pa. Sumisid ulit eh.
Oh. Wala akong ginagawa. I don't know what this is, guys, but yeah. Whew.
That's something though.
It's something.
Oh no!
Ay! Pucha, dami. Dali pa tayo.
Mike, mamaya, paunuhin muna to. Paangat muna tayo ng isa.
Okay na, angat ko yan. Whew! That was something. It's a big one.
Parang they're all big. I don't know what fish this is, but... Utang ina, sturgeon yata ito, Mike eh.
Ba, ewan ko. Hindi ko alam.
Ayan na, sa taas na. Bumaba ulit, sumisid ulit. Mike, whatever this is big.
I don't know. I don't know.
Holy shit, what is this? Oh, it's coming up. It's coming. Wait, wag mo hawakan. Mike, ayan na ang ulo. Wag mo anuhin.
Ayun na siya, oh. Ayun, oh.
Andali, hindi ko nga may pasok ang ulo. Parang sturgeon to.
Wait,
Mike, sturgeon to. Nakita ko na ang ulo, Mike.
Ha?
Wag mo, sandali lang. Pagurin lang natin. Mike, sturgeon to.
Sturgeon yan?
Sturgeon to, parang nakita ko na ang ulo eh.
We have something big under the ice. I don't know what this is, but this is something else.
Oh, here we go. Tumakbo na. Mike, sturgeon to. Guaranteed to.
Oh? Ayan, oh. Ayun, oh. Ayun siya, oh.
Igalaw mo nga, Scoop. Hanapin mo nga si Lalim, dali. Hanapin mo kung nasan para lang makita.
Got away.
But that was a big fish.
That's a
Telling you
big
right.
fish, yeah. It was.
Tatakot lang.
Hi!
Soger na naman.
Okay. It's our third fish, boys. Third. Yeah, ano? Si Mang Sojer.
Sabi ko na eh.
Mang Sojer.
Soja boy.
Mang Soja boy.
Ay! Ay! Teka lang! Huwag ka muna magulo.
Ano eh. I don't feel like bringing it home, so. Bye. Oops. Wrong side, mama yan. Bye-bye. It's already 1:30 p.m. I had like 3 fish already. And there's one coming at my drop shot right now. I think. But yeah, we had a really
Oy!
curious bite earlier.
Ha?
Set up ng aking, the second tent. Oh. Hello. Lawrence Raya. Check his account out. 1rod204. Yan. 4 holes din. Bali, 5 holes din sila. Ayan. Third unit, we're good. Ayan na. So, update. It's already 3:18 in the afternoon. So far, 3. And then, got of tons that got away. We agreed to stay here like until 5:30 or 6. Just to see if the sunset bite really is on. So let's see. Just eat it! Okay, tayo sa 4.
Yung
Huli. Ay, umapat pa. Thank you, Lord. Pero mukhang si Mang Roger din to. Ay, hindi. May isa pa akong ano. Moon eye.
puro moon eye na, patay.
Ayun na. Second moon eye of the day. I think so.
Parang MA yan.
Let's see. It's ay, hindi. Wala. 12 and a half. Second one.
Saka dito sa pwesto namin Dan, may bababa ang ban.
Gano'n?
Kaya.
Positive ang ban.
Sasama yata si Mike sa ano eh.
Tuesday?
Hindi ko ba sasama?
Hindi ko alam pare. Not sure.
Yun, putang ina.
Yun, huli. Nice.
Wala ito.
Mang sasawa.
Ay, hindi. Mike, moon eye nga. So, alright.
Uy, pigi rin. Alright. Putak. Ay. Yun, dali. Nice.
Sober ito.
No, what?
Putang ina! Umakyat sa butang, Mike!
Oh, ingat.
Sandali!
Mang soldier yan. Ayos. Galing.
Yun. Puro sober na ito. Wala boy.
Wala ito. Oy, naka-walleye din sa wakas.
That's a good fish, pare.
I think you're not done yet, right? O, sige, takbo. It's a good one, I think.
It's an MA.
Oh!
MA? Ay, hindi. Malayo sa MA. It's a good fish.
But it's a good one.
Hatang agad. Dampot. Malayo sa MA, pero good fish.
Good one. Okay. Nighttime bite pala. Lang. Walleye, guys.
21-22.
22 eject, boys.
Show the release underneath. Ayun.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Galing.
Very nice.
Okay, it's a wrap for today. It's our second time out for 2025. It turned out well, so we were able to catch the target species, although it was late in the afternoon, about 3. And then yeah, overall it's a good experience, although it was a bit slow at first. So thank you very much for joining us with my compadre.
Yeah.
1284 crew. Shout outs to you guys.
Oh, I'd like to thank my new subscribers. Thank you very much for that
Please
one.
subscribe on the channel. It will help us give you more nice videos for this year.
So yeah, so more videos. So just stick around, guys. All right.
Click the subscribe button.
See you on the next video. Peace.